Good afternoon to all. I am Vikas Sharma, pursuing Bachelor's of Technology in Food Technology from Lovely Professional University, Fagwada. Today I am here to share my experience of my community development project which I did this summer break. For my community development project, I joined an NGO called Granny Swayam Sangh, which is based in Indora, Himachal Pradesh. Granny Sangh works closely with the Government of India to remove unemployment and empowering the women of rural India. In my time at Granny Sangh, I worked under the guidance of Mr. Ashok Padhania. While working for Granny Sangh, we ran various awareness drives on how women can start their small-scale businesses in rural areas and how they can generate an income for their own. So we had hand-on training for the women so that they can be skilled in the work, so they can be paid more and have an independent life. Granny Sangh, we also provide women with the knowledge of the schemes that are launched by the Government of India for the women empowerment and for the betterment of the women of the society. They are unable to utilize these properly because of lack of knowledge. So at Granny Sangh, we make sure that they are aware of these schemes so they can use it properly and have a better life. Our NGO's mission is to empower women in making income generating possibilities in the rural areas so that they can help the rural people of the villages and improve the life quality of the villages of the rural India. With the help of Granny Sangh, many women have already started their small scale businesses in likes of printing bags, pickle making and making whole wheat grains, and they are making a lot of profit out of it. This all is only possible because of the hardworking and determined women of rural India. While working with the Granny Sangh, I got to know about how difficult the lives of rural women in India is. They are restrained in the house and can't go outside and are dependent on the male member of the family for the income. And Granny Sangh is helping them to make and have an income of their own and have an independent life. Thank you, and I hope so you will also do something for the community.